Guys, look at tambourine balls. When was the last time you all eat tambourine? Growing up in Jamaica, I eat a lot of tambourine. Guys who do not know about tambourine, it's very sour. Guys, did you all bake your Easter bun at home this year or your purchase? I baked my own bun this year. I will put the link in the description box below and you all could click on it and go and watch the bun video, or you could just go to video, okay, on my channel. So the only thing I'm going to have to purchase, I did purchase my cheese. When was the last time you all drink LiQWYD drink? Which flavor do you love the best? I love vanilla and strawberry. Thank you all to my channel membership. Thank you all for my old subscribers and my new subscribers. If you do not subscribe to my channel as yet, hit that red button right now and make sure you turn on all notification bell. That's when I upload a new video. You're the first one to get notified. Hi everyone, I would love for you to check out this website, rosescollection.com, and shop. We have varieties of products for a reasonable price. Shipping and pickup also available. Right now we also have some of the products on sale, so do not hesitate to click on the link after you watch this video and go over there and shop for your family and friends. I will put the link in the description box below and also in the comment section. All right, thank you one and all. Okay, so I have here all of my goodies, my bulla cake. And I also eat bulla cake with cheese, you know. What do you eat bulla cake with? I have my Regal biscuit, my Alaska drink, my tasty cheese, my tambourine balls, coconut drops, my coconut grater cake, so this is all I purchased, guys. Thank you all for watching. God bless, one love. Bye.